everyone, welcome back to Page Bunting and Jay's Arise. My name is Sambo. Nice to meet you. Today we will learn 8 words from lesson 21 that talk about birth of Jesus. Let's get started. The first word is grandson. Grandson. Grandson spelled G-O-A-N-D-S-O-N. Grandson. Second word is grandchildren. Grandchildren. Grandchildren spelled G-O-A-N-D-C-H-I-L-D-O-E-N. Grandchildren. Third word is aunt. Aunt. Aunt spelled A-U-N-T. Aunt. Next, uncle. Uncle. Uncle spelled U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. Next, cousin. Cousin. Cousin spelled C-O-U-S-I-N. Cousin. Next, niece. Niece. Niece spelled N-I-E-C-E. Niece. 7 words is nephew. Nephew. Nephew spelled N-E-P-H-E-W. Nephew. The last word is sister-in-law. Sister-in-law. Sister-in-law spelled S-I-S-T-E-O-I-N-L-A-W. Sister-in-law. Okay, let's review the words with me again. Grandson. Grandson. Grandchildren. Grandchildren. Aunt. Aunt. Uncle. Uncle. Cousin. Cousin. Niece. Niece. Nephew. Nephew. Sister-in-law. Sister-in-law. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please make a sentence or sentences by using 8 words that we have learned today in a comment. If you do it right, we will give thumb up, and if not, we will give correct. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link and see you on the next. Bye bye. God bless you.